If you're searching for a Hostinger coupon code with an extra 20% discount, don't make the mistake of choosing a plan before checking what offer you're actually getting. Before you buy, click the link in the description or scan the QR code on screen, because it automatically applies an extra 20% discount through my link, plus 3 extra months. And here's why that matters. Many Hostinger deals online usually include around a 10% extra discount, but my link in the description unlocks a full 20% together with the additional months. That's a noticeable difference in overall value for the same hosting service. If the prices on the page don't match your country, just click the flag icon at the top, choose your location, and the pricing will update instantly. Now for the Hostinger review part. One thing that makes Hostinger stand out is how easy it is to get a website online. The Hostinger website builder is designed for users who want a simple setup process, while the Hostinger AI website builder can help generate layouts, content ideas, and starting points automatically. If you'd like to explore the available plans and features, click the link in the description or scan the QR code. You also get practical features like a free domain, free SSL protection, daily backups, and light-speed technology to improve website performance. Plus, every plan comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try everything without risk. And if your project expands later, Hostinger also gives you access to Hostinger VPS, Hostinger Horizons, Hostinger OpenClaw, and Hostinger N8N. So if you want the extra 20% discount together with the 3 extra months, click the link in the description or scan the QR code now and activate the offer.